Welcome to Neurozenique. This is a place where neuroscience meets personal transformation. On this channel, we explore how the human brain works and how you can use that knowledge to build discipline, focus, and a powerful mindset. If you have ever wondered why some people seem unstoppable while others struggle to stay motivated, the answer often lies inside the brain. Today, we are going to explore one of the most powerful concepts in neuroscience that can completely change the direction of your life. Right now, inside your head, around 86 billion neurons are communicating with each other. These neurons form networks that control everything you do. They shape your habits, your emotions, your reactions, and even your beliefs about yourself. What most people do not realize is that these neural networks are constantly changing. For many years, scientists believed that the brain stopped developing after childhood. People thought that intelligence and personality were mostly fixed, but modern neuroscience revealed something extraordinary. The brain has an incredible ability called neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity means your brain can reorganize and rewire itself throughout your entire life. Every thought you think strengthens certain neural pathways. Every action you repeat strengthens those pathways even more. When you repeat the same behavior again and again, your brain becomes more efficient at performing that behavior. Over time, it becomes automatic. This is why habits are so powerful. If someone spends years repeating distractions, their brain becomes extremely good at being distracted. If someone spends years practicing focus, their brain becomes extremely good at focusing. The brain simply adapts to whatever patterns you repeat. Think of your brain like a forest. When you walk through the forest for the first time, there is no clear path. But if you walk the same route every day, a visible path begins to form. Eventually, that path becomes the easiest route to follow. Your brain works in a very similar way. The more you repeat a behavior, the stronger the neural pathway becomes. This is why change feels difficult in the beginning. When you try to build a new habit, your brain is essentially creating a new path through the forest. At first, the path is weak and unfamiliar. Your brain naturally prefers the old paths because they require less effort. But here is the powerful part. Every time you choose the new behavior, you strengthen the new pathway. Slowly, the new path becomes clearer. Over time, it becomes the easiest path to follow. What once required effort becomes automatic. This means the person you become in the future is not determined by who you are today. It is determined by what you repeatedly do starting now. Your daily actions are literally reshaping the structure of your brain. Many people wait for motivation before they take action. They believe they need to feel inspired before they start working toward their goals. But neuroscience shows that motivation often comes after action, not before it. When you begin working on a meaningful task, your brain releases chemicals that support focus and persistence. As you make progress, your brain starts associating effort with reward. This process gradually strengthens your motivation circuits. This is why successful people focus on building systems rather than waiting for inspiration. They understand that consistent action trains the brain to operate at a higher level. Another important chemical in this process is dopamine. Dopamine is often misunderstood as a pleasure chemical. In reality, dopamine is more closely related to motivation and anticipation. It pushes you to pursue goals and repeat behaviors that your brain believes are valuable. However, modern life constantly hijacks this system. Endless scrolling, instant entertainment, and constant notifications flood the brain with quick dopamine spikes. Over time, the brain becomes conditioned to seek instant rewards instead of long-term achievements. When this happens, difficult tasks like studying, exercising, or working on long-term goals feel less appealing. Your brain begins to crave easy stimulation rather than meaningful progress. The good news is that the brain can reset itself. When you reduce constant distractions and start focusing on purposeful activities, your brain slowly recalibrates its reward system. Effort begins to feel satisfying again, progress becomes motivating. At this moment, if you are finding value in what you are learning, take a moment to subscribe to Neurozenique and join a community of people who want to unlock the true potential of the human mind. Every video on this channel is designed to help you understand the science behind focus, discipline, productivity, and mental strength. Now let us go deeper into how small actions shape powerful outcomes. Many people believe success requires dramatic changes overnight. In reality, the brain responds much better to consistent, small improvements. Imagine improving just a little every single day. A small improvement repeated hundreds of times creates massive transformation over time. The brain strengthens whatever circuits you use most often. Reading a few pages every day strengthens learning networks in your brain. Regular physical movement increases blood flow and improves brain health. Practicing focused work strengthens attention networks. Each of these actions gradually upgrades the way your brain operates. Over weeks and months, the changes compound. Your thinking becomes clearer. Your reactions become calmer. Your ability to concentrate becomes stronger. The person you become is the result of thousands of small neural adjustments happening beneath the surface. One of the most powerful shifts you can make is changing the way you respond to challenges. When most people face difficulty, their brain interprets it as a threat. This activates stress responses that encourage avoidance. But when you train your brain to see challenges as opportunities for growth, something remarkable happens. The brain begins activating learning systems instead of fear responses. This shift allows you to persist longer and improve faster. Every time you push through discomfort, your brain strengthens resilience circuits. Over time, resilience becomes part of your identity. This is why the journey of self-improvement is not just psychological, it is biological. You are literally shaping the physical structure of your brain with every decision you make. Imagine the impact of intentional habits over the next year. Imagine training your brain to focus deeply instead of getting distracted. Imagine strengthening your discipline until taking action becomes natural. Imagine building mental clarity that allows you to approach life with confidence. All of this is possible because the brain is designed to adapt. The same mechanism that creates limiting habits can also create empowering ones. The key is awareness and repetition. When you consciously choose actions that align with your goals, you begin directing the evolution of your brain. Before we finish this video, remember one powerful truth. Your brain is always changing whether you realize it or not. Every day you are either strengthening helpful patterns or reinforcing unhelpful ones. The question is not whether your brain will change. The question is whether you will guide that change intentionally. If this video gave you a new perspective on how powerful your brain truly is, make sure you subscribe to Neurozenic and share this video with someone who wants to unlock their potential. Your mind is your greatest asset. Train it wisely, nurture it daily, and it will become the most powerful tool for creating the life you want. Thank you for being part of Neurozenic. Your journey of mental evolution starts here.